Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So I want to discuss something new concept with you today that is related to value stream processes. So what do you mean by value stream processes? Actually, value stream is a new concept which is actually added in the ITL v4. If you remember, value co-creation was the new dimension added, which I discussed in my previous video, right? So what is the objective of this dimension? Actually, the dimension's objective is what all processes and frameworks an organization must have to deliver while doing the services, while providing the services, what all the concepts needs to be there. So it's basically a set of processes, steps, activities to convert input to output. So what is actually needs to be delivered from the input, that is actually a value stream process. It called value stream is a set of process, right? So input can be customer's requirement, what is actually needed. For example, new service requirement, enhancements, customizations and add-ons. For example, consumer need to get something particular and you have to work on it, that's your input. And output will be the value service requirement fulfilling, or service requirement fulfillment, that is your output, or that will be your outcome. What is the value you are giving or what you are providing. What is a value stream? Removing all the known value adds from the process. So NV is nothing but removing all non-value things from the process, that is called a value stream. Another one is external factors affect the service. So what are the external factors which needs to be affected in the service? That's called as PESTEL model. PESTEL model is nothing but it symbolizes as political, economic, social, technological, ecological, or environmental, as in legal. So these are the factors, external factors, which may affect the service which you are providing. So that is followed as the PESTEL model. I'm sure if you heard about it before in other concepts as well. This is not only the ITL processes, but PESTEL can also be used in the entrepreneurship, if you heard about it. Entrepreneurship is a subject where we discussed about these goals, PESTEL model, all other concepts, right? So let's talk about SVS. SVS is a really important concept which needs to be there in the ITL v4. So SVS is nothing but it's a service value system. So how all components and activities works together as a single unit called SVS, trying to provide value through service. So system is helping to give services and provide value to the client. So basically this is a system, the whole system which needs to be there in service value system, that is SVS, that will be called as SVS. So what are its components? That will be the 5 major components: guiding principles, service value chain, governance practices, continual improvements. We'll discuss all these things one by one. We need these to deliver our services faster, right?